Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Starry AI application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Starry AI application on your device, and then if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to log in using your credentials. Go ahead and log in using your Google account or your username and password, and then you will be taken into your homepage. Now from this homepage, in order to delete your account, tap on your account icon at the top left corner, and then from the menu page, you will be able to find the delete account option at the very end. Scroll all the way down and you will find delete account. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. This is the only confirmation that you will get, so go ahead and tap on the delete button, and this will proceed with deleting your account on Starry AI. You might need to provide one final confirmation from a link that you can tap within your email address that you used to sign up. So go ahead and tap on this link, and then your deletion will be finalized. After this process begins, make sure not to sign into your account until you receive a final confirmation that your account has successfully been deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Starry AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.